Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. And before we jump in, the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So today, our mission is to figure out what makes the COSORI TurboBlaze 6.0 quart air fryer actually tick.
Yeah, I mean, it is sitting at #1 in air fryers right now, which is no small feat.
Right, with an insane 4.8 out of 5 stars from like over 21,000 ratings.
Which is just huge. And the secret sauce really is what they call their TurboBlaze technology.
Yeah, let's unpack that a bit because I'm looking at the specs and they went with a DC motor pushing a 3,600 RPM fan, which is wild.
It really is. Using a direct current motor instead of your standard AC1 changes the game entirely under the hood.
Right, but wait, it also has a 5-speed fan. It sounds like a sports car transmission or something. Why does an air fryer even need gears?
Well, I mean, if you only ever wanted to blast hot air and make fries, it doesn't.
Right, just blast the heat and walk away.
Exactly. But the variable speed is what gives it that 9-in-1 versatility. You know, it's an exercise in controlled thermodynamics.
Oh, I see. So it's not just aggressive frying.
No, not at all. By dropping the fan speed and fine-tuning the temp, you can gently bake or proof dough or dry jerky without just, well, blasting it.
Yeah, I mean, if you hit delicate yeast dough with a 3,600 RPM wind, you'd just completely flatten the poor thing.
You'd completely ruin it, yeah. And the craziest part about that DC motor is the noise level, or the lack of it, really.
Oh, right. I saw that it stays under 53 decibels.
Because it runs on a steady current, it eliminates that magnetic hum, so it won't sound like a jet taking off in your kitchen.
Which means you could actually hear yourself think or have a conversation while making dinner.
Exactly.
But, you know, all that quiet power doesn't matter much if the actual basket is terrible.
True, but they upgraded that too. The 6-quart basket uses a PFAS-free ceramic coating.
Nice. So we're ditching those toxic forever chemicals you normally find in older non-stick stuff?
Precisely. It's totally non-toxic, heat-resistant, and you can just toss it right in the dishwasher.
I love that. And because of the directed heat, it still uses, what, up to 95% less oil than traditional deep frying?
Up to 95%, yeah. But because it is so highly efficient and powerful, there are a few, well, operational quirks you have to navigate.
Right. I was reading the manual. I do love the smart safety feature where it just auto pauses when you pull the basket out.
That is super handy. It resumes right when you push it back in.
But there was a pretty stark warning in there about emptying it. You cannot turn the basket completely upside down.
No, you definitely don't want to do that. The hot crisper plate at the bottom is not locked in place.
So you tip it over a plate, the heavy metal grate just falls right out onto your food.
Yeah, or onto your hand, which is a really quick way to ruin a meal.
Ouch. Yeah. And there's another crucial warning about that 5-speed motor, right?
Yes. This is so important. You have to be careful with the turbo mode when cooking thin, lightweight foods.
Wait, like if I put some kale or thin garlic slices in there?
If you crank it to turbo with kale, that 3,600 RPM fan will literally launch the food straight up into the exposed heating coils.
Oh, wow. So it just vaporizes your dinner.
Pretty much. You have to respect the aerodynamics of what you are cooking and match the fan speed.
That makes perfect sense. So it's a powerful tool, but keep the spinach away from the heating element.
Exactly. Which, you know, leaves you with a really interesting bigger picture question to chew on.
Oh. What's that?
Well, when you have a single countertop device with a precision DC motor, 9 distinct functions, and it handles family meals with 95% less oil, are we looking at the gradual extinction of the traditional oven for everyday cooking?
You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below. But this bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets. One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.